In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Clickup. Whether you're trying to focus on your work without interruptions or you're simply not in the mood for chatting, Clickup offers a straightforward way to ensure your online presence doesn't give away your availability. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Clickup's main page. You can do this by typing Clickup into your preferred search engine or by entering the direct URL into your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the Clickup homepage, you're ready for the next step. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email you used when you first signed up for Clickup. It's important to ensure that you type this incorrectly to avoid any login issues down the line. Following your email entry, the next immediate step is to enter your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as it was created. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's usually a password reset option right at your fingertips. With your credentials correctly inputted, the next action is to click on the Log In button. By doing so, you're not just gaining access to your Clickup workspace, you're stepping into an organized world that's ready to streamline your tasks and projects. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page of your Clickup workspace. This is essentially your command center, the place where all your projects, tasks, and notifications live. Here, you'll find everything you need to stay productive and on track with your work. Now, the crucial part of appearing offline comes into play. You'll want to navigate to your notification settings. This can typically be found in the side or main menu of your workspace. Look for an icon or text that says notifications or something similar. This section is where you control how Clickup interacts with you regarding updates and messages. Within the notification settings, you will see an option to disable notifications. Clicking this might seem like a minor action, but it's a powerful step towards controlling your online presence. By disabling notifications, you essentially make yourself appear offline to other users. This doesn't mean you disappear from the platform, it simply means you won't be disturbed by real-time notifications, allowing you to work in peace or browse undetected. It's worth noting that while disabling notifications can offer you tranquility and focus, it's important to remember to re-enable them when you're ready to be back online. Staying offline for too long might mean missing out on important updates or direct messages from your team. Remember, Clickup is designed to be versatile, catering to various work styles and preferences, including your need for privacy and uninterrupted focus time. By following these steps, you can ensure that your online presence is managed on your terms, allowing you to leverage the power of Clickup without compromising on your need for concentration or personal time. Now that you know how to appear offline by disabling notifications in Clickup, you can take control of your online presence and manage your workspace more effectively. Whether you're deep diving into a complex project, attending to personal matters, or simply needing a break from the digital chatter, this feature puts you in the driver's seat. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how easy and beneficial it is to manage your online visibility within Clickup. As always, remember to check back into your notification settings to adjust them according to your daily needs and preferences. Happy focusing, and see you in the next video.